For supper tonight, my son requested a super simple, super cheap meal. It's goulash. And you guys can put whatever you want to in yours. I'm just super easy because my kids are picky. It's 3 ingredients. Got tomato juice, some shells, and some hamburger meat. And I'm just gonna season mine with some onion powder. I got 3 pounds in here because I have 2 teenage boys. And some garlic pepper. And some Big Sam's. It's just like a seasonal salt. You can season yours however you want to. And I'm going to chop this up just a little bit. I used about 1.5 pounds of noodles, and I used both of those 46-ounce jars of tomato juice. Just gonna let it cook, and there's a super easy, super cheap meal.